Something good came from ASOS today. This was my first time buying from ASOS. Can you guess what it is? Not a bag though. I got a pair of Dr. Martens boots. I think the number of this model is 29 something. I'll put it on the screen. So with the first timer discount, I think I only pay around $102 for this pair of boots instead of $180 for their regular price. Isn't this beautiful? I love the thick soles, and yep, everyone hope to stand taller in life, doesn't it? Look at them, basically perfect. I think it's time to get some thick socks and try it on. Look at how thick the sole is. First try. Let me try with my right foot. Wow, it's really tight to get through the neck part. Push it, twist it. I feel like it's impossible to get in. It's just simply too tight. Well, that's what happened when you wear your boots for the first time. Oh, my shoulder is cramping. I don't think I can make it. Let's try with my left foot. My left foot is slightly smaller, so should be no problem. See? Wasn't that hard? Love it so far. Now, let's try again. Second attempt to get my right foot into the boot. Wow, still feel impossible to get in. Twist it, push it, pull it. Gosh. Oh. Is it in? No, still stuck. Oh. Not sure I can make it. Let's pull it again. Oh, that's it. Whew. Finally. Not bad. Yeah, I love how this look. Yep, definitely great for winter jackets, leather bags. Just can't wait for the Texas summer to be over, right? Now, I just have to figure out if I'm able to take it off.